Hello, this practice today is silent meditation. Stick around because I might add a few tips that you don't know if you haven't practiced silent meditation. And I'll also be adding on a mudra, a hand mudra or gesture, as mudra means. So to do silent meditation, you are not thinking at all. You are not listening to someone's recording. You're not chanting internally. You're just sitting silently, perhaps focusing on the breath. So with silent meditation, you want to be sitting up, either cross-legged or in a straight chair, so your spine is nice and straight. Other meditations out there, some involve lying or even moving around. This one is all seated. And your eyes will be closed. If you're afraid you will fall asleep, then you can just close them and open them 1/10 of the way, just barely open so you don't fall asleep. And the mind loves distractions. It loves to always be thinking. I find it helpful to focus on the breathing, the breath. Breathing long breaths, but comfortable. You don't want to strain yourself. And focus on the sound and the motion of the breath, primarily the sound. If you're even more aware, feel the coolness of the air coming into your nostrils. Can you feel that now? Especially if you're in air conditioning or a cool room. And bring awareness to your third eye. So when we are starting the Tantra practices, we want to start working with opening the third eye first, before we begin the root chakra and other chakras, just to become more aware. Now that brings me to the hand gesture. So the mudra is for intuition, insight, knowledge. So that'll help with your third eye or your intuition. With these mudras, we are working with certain points. By connecting certain points, we help awaken it. But basically, we're touching our index finger and thumb tips, and then loosely pointing the other fingers towards the heavens, towards the sky. And your hands will be just near your knees, wherever is comfortable. Loosely, but sort of actively. So you'll hold those there and sit for at least 5 minutes. 10 minutes or 30 minutes is way better, and schedule a time to do this every day. So many people find it helpful to pick a certain time of day, maybe when they first wake up, or right before getting into bed, or right after a shower. I definitely like it before going to bed because then it allows me to kind of defragment my brain and get away from work and everything before going to sleep. So that's it, and ask me any questions if you want to know more. And it's a great break from the chatter of the world to just have complete silence, to not be thinking, to not be listening to anything. Enjoy your meditation.